Spotify Premium is great, but let's be honest, paying full price every single month really adds up. Whether you're a college student on a tight budget, looking to split bills with your roommates, or just trying to trim down your monthly expenses, you shouldn't have to overpay for your music. In this video, I'm breaking down 4 easy, tested ways to get Spotify Premium for cheap. Stick around because you're going to want to see how this works. Let's get into it. The first and most common way people save money is by utilizing the Spotify Premium Family Plan. Instead of paying for an individual account, the family plan allows you to have up to 6 separate, independent premium accounts under one single billing umbrella. The plan currently costs around $21.99 a month. If you can find 5 other family members or roommates to split the cost with, you are only paying about $3.67 per person every month. Now, there is a catch. Spotify does require verification that everyone on the plan lives at the exact same physical address. If you don't actually have 5 people under your roof ready to share an account, this strict address verification can be a deal breaker. But if you do, it is the best value by far. If you are currently in college, you are in luck. Method number 2 is the Student Special Discount. Spotify offers college and university students a massive discount. In the US, it brings the price down to just $6.99 a month, and it even bundles in a Hulu subscription for free. In Europe, you can expect to pay around €7 a month. However, there are a couple of restrictions to keep in mind. First, you must actively verify your student status through a third-party service called Sheer ID. This usually requires logging into your university portal or uploading a current class schedule or student ID. Second, this discount only lasts for a maximum of 4 years, and you have to re-verify every single year. Once you graduate or hit that 4-year mark, your account will automatically revert to the standard full price. Method number 3 is keeping an eye out for Spotify gift cards. You can purchase prepaid Spotify gift cards directly through their website or at major retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, and Walmart. You will typically find them in standard denominations like $10, $30, or $60, which roughly cover 1, 3, or 6 months of membership, depending on your region's pricing. The trick here is to watch out for holiday sales or special retail promotions where these gift cards are sold at a discount. Stocking up on discounted gift cards is a fantastic, completely effortless way to lock in a cheaper premium rate for the whole year. Finally, we have method number 4, which is the ultimate insider trick, using a VPN to switch your region. Because of differing local economic conditions, Spotify sets dramatically different subscription prices all around the world. So, while it might seem a bit unfair, a resident in Turkey, Argentina, or India pays a fraction of what someone in the US or the UK pays for the exact same service. But you can still get Spotify Premium for those incredibly cheap international prices by using a virtual private network. A VPN allows you to change your device's virtual location. For this, I highly recommend using UFO VPN. Here is how it works. All you have to do is download the app, browse the server list, and connect to a server located in a country where Spotify is cheaper, like Turkey or India. Instantly, your IP address is switched. You can then navigate to Spotify and sign up for Premium at that region's drastically reduced price. I've left a direct download link for UFO VPN right down in the video description to make it super easy for you to get started. And there you have it, 4 simple ways to stop paying full price and get your Spotify Premium for cheap. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.